that shows the volume of sales for monitor, printer, and laptop for two different shops. They don't like to draw tables. Mathematicians lazy, right? So they are thinking of an ordered way to represent your data. So they thought maybe instead of this, can I just do away with everything and write it in this way? That means I drop all the information.
Yeah, how lazy must you be? You don't even like segregate that. You just space that.
Yeah, so they just space it apart and write down these 6 entries. Okay, all these things that they put in the bracket, they call it entries. Okay, entries, or they call it elements. Okay, so next thing I need to explain to you, it's rows. Rows is horizontal. Okay, and then columns is vertical. So you need to know how many rows and how many columns. So we always count the rows first, then we count the columns. So if you ever forget, I want you to remember the magic number 7. So we will count the rows first, then count the columns. You never write 7 like that one, right? You always write 7 like this, right? So write, okay, but the conventional way is the rows first, then you go column. So when we write the order of a matrix, what is the order of this matrix? We always write rows times column. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 rows and 3 columns. So you can always know what is the order of a matrix by knowing how many rows and how many columns there are. Okay, then they must define for you. This one is from shop 1, shop 2. This one is for the monitor, the printer, and then the laptop. So you must know each column and each row, what it represents. So this is using this and translating into a matrix. Okay? So they say a rectangular array of numbers. And then the thing that you see inside are called elements, and it's always identified by rows and columns. Can I? So this one is just how you simplify your representation into a matrix. Okay, next one. This one. So this one is what they wrote just now. So can you tell me what's the order of the matrix A? What is the order of matrix A? How many rows and how many columns? How many rows? 3 rows, 2 columns. So it's always row times columns. So this one is 2 by 2,
3 by 1.
3 by 1,
4 by 1. 1 by 4.
1 by 4. Cannot 4 by 1.
1 by 1. 1 by 1.
So this one is 1 by 1.
This one. Can you have a 4-minute break now?
Later. I squeeze in a break. Wait. All these are your rows. How many rows you have? And this one number behind is how many columns you have. 2. Okay? So now, same thing. This one is the tour packages. They say, can you write this in a 3 by 4 matrix? It's not a joke. This is like O-level will ask you to write it in a matrix and give you 1 mark for it. So T is equal to, you just write, this is 3, right? By 4. So actually very kind already. They give you in the same order they want. Just write this for them, they give you 1 mark. So there are certain topics that are like God of Fortune. Give you marks for free one. So must take.
Tyson Yan.
Yeah, Tyson, yeah. Okay, so you just have to write this out and then you get the mark. Next is they say, can you sum all the elements in the first column of T? Column means this one, first column. So they ask you to add these 3 elements up and you will get 1, 4, 5. What does this sum represent? Think logically. What Hong Kong? The total number of customers, in all the tour packages. So you just read here and rephrase it in the most accurate way. In all the tour packages to Hong Kong. If you want to be specific, it's not just this one, it's the economic, standard and deluxe packages to Hong Kong. Okay, but basically you must tell them what have you summed. Okay, next one. Calculate the sum of the elements in the second row. So now they want you to sum this row up. So you go and add. Then you get 318. So what does this sum represent? So it's the number of customers. Okay, this one, right? Okay, in the standard tour package. Then you look for the word to all 4 cities. So use the words that are given in the question, paraphrase and make sense out of it. Okay, so they will ask you what a specific entry represents and then they will ask you to explain in your own words. Yeah. Okay, 3-minute break. That one, oh.
Aiyo, now I gonna do it.
So the answer is 1 to 8, the answer is actually 130. So do I get sweet?
Is it 130? What tan?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, you get a sweet, I owe you.
Thank you.
But I check later. For asking for break. Oh yeah, 2024 paper, if you have finished, please hand in. (2024) finish, not finish. It must reach me before the end of this week so that I have the weekend to mark. Then next AAEP I can go through. Okay. I don't want soft copy. I want hard copy.
This one, why my soft copy? You know I spent 2 hours on that sharking piece of work.
Okay, now it looks like it's more completed. Why this one never do? You got the mean.
No, I don't wanna like check online.
Yeah, okay. Standard deviation.
This one is best. She like never bring home, so she got better.
Okay. This one mean 17.5. This one mean 20. You can compare what?
I spent like so long on this question.
Each day for 8 days. The mean is this. So you add everything up. Divide by 8 days, right? It should give you 2.5. You got divide by 8 no? Oh, you use 17.5 times 8 first. Okay, can. So you minus all these. You quadratic formula. Bring everything to one side, solve quadratic.
So I factorize.
You bring this one over, so 4p squared plus 2p minus 30 equals 0. Then you quadratic.
Yeah, can I do that?
Okay, time's up.
That's it. You're done. You're done. I guess.
Okay, let's come back. Okay, this one is self-practice, but let me just quickly run through it. Write it in a 2x4. Sum this up. It's 130. Okay, so just now Ethan spotted the mistake. This is 130. Okay, sum of the elements in the third column is this one. So you get 77. Okay, they want you to interpret the result. So the first column means the total number of boys. Okay, go. The total number of boys in 4 CCA clubs in school.
Fine.
Okay, this one is the total number of students. Okay, in dance CCA. Okay, in dance CCA. So you need to know how to explain. This one is for dance, the total number of students. This one is only the total number of boys in all 4 CCAs. So use the words that are from here. Okay, make use of the question, what they state there, and use their words so that they cannot fault you in any way. Okay, so matrices quite direct. You must know how to express a table in a matrix form. Okay, so far, okay, matrices is really quite okay one. Can Okay, next one. Correct, right? Okay, this one. What is the order of this matrix? How many rows and how many columns? Sailesh, what is the order? So right like that, 3 by 3. Wonderful. Now now, yeah, better know nursing. You want to be nurse or not? Honestly. Okay, what does the element in the first row? First row, second column. So the entry is referring to is this one. So you know that this element represents Ali's mathematics score. Okay, it's 73 marks. Okay, so this entry refers to Ali's math score. Okay, then which student has the highest total score? So if we want total by right, we should add up the 3. So 56, 73, 65. So the student with the highest total score is Paul. Yeah. It's so what?
equation.
Okay, so we will figure that out slowly. Okay, so Paul has the highest total score of 247 marks. Okay, so this one is still the basics, it's matrices basics. Won't lah.
Look at it. That's not safe.
Ethan will die first, poor thing. Okay, I send the OM like the thing shaking a bit.
Look at the middle one. Everyone that kept coming up. I'm gonna die here, bro. I don't wanna die.
But that time I reported this, they say it's okay.
They don't care.
They say they come and check already. Oh yeah, in my video it doesn't look like shaking. Okay. Okay, this one. Shh. Okay, the practice you do on your own. When I have two matrices that are equal, we write like that also. Yes, a bit. So first, if you want to say two matrices are equal, they need to have the same order. They also need to have the same order, and every single entry must be the same. So if you look at this one, exactly the same, then consider. So this one element not the same. So A is not equal to B. Okay, because one of the element is not the same. This one. Okay, then next one. Although these four are the same, but there's this extra column there that makes it not the same. So also cannot. Okay, denoted just means represent. Okay, then the last one. Shh. This one you look, if you simplify it, it gives you 2, 6, 8, and 5. So although the original doesn't look like it's the same, the evaluated one is exactly the same as this. So that's why A is equal to matrix D. Okay? We don't care whether it's simplified or not simplified. As long as the final number is 6, it is the same. Okay? So this one you need to know, if it's an equal matrix, the order must be the same. The entry one by one you compare must be the same. Can Okay, let's go to 4.2. Oh no, haven't. Still got one example. Here. So they tell me that these two matrices are the same. So meaning X must be 5. Just compare. 2Y must be equal to 7. Got a fly in front of my face.
Are you seeing something?
No, I want to.
I thought you were gonna.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
I was trying to kill it. Then I realized I might slap my face. Yeah. I don't do that. Okay, so you compare entry by entry. Then this one is equal to this. So Z must be 9. So just like that, compare them one by one.
I'm so tired. I have a headache.
We're almost there.
But I have mata.
Okay, I got a meeting.
Does
that make you feel better? Okay, then I have children. Let's see how.
That one your problem already.
So sad.
Who asked you to have children? Which one?
Okay, next one. P is
Wallace and Bella.
minus 3.
Do your children have pets? Do you have animals at home?
No. You know my son over the weekend was begging me for a pet. You know what was his big dream? He want a pet. Right? You know what he asked me for?
A dog.
A frog.
Hey, wait, that's okay, that's okay.
A frog.
Why not? I wouldn't mind. That would be quite cool.
Yeah, it's like really harmless.
Yeah, a frog so harmless. At least you never ask for a snake, right?
Then I say if the frog jumps out, I don't know what to do. I really cannot how to have a pet frog.
Miss Wang, I have 15 turtles and I function.
My son is like
Miss Wang,
out to kill me.
Miss Wang,
Yeah.
Miss Wang, I have 15 turtles.
Okay, yeah. Yes.
So are you gonna get him a frog?
Get him
No.
a frog, Miss Wang.
I
Get him
say-
a frog or we'll get him the frog.
My husband proposed a fish. No, he proposed a prawn.
A prawn.
A prawn that is can live for 20 years and will clean the tank on its own and then live on its own for 20 years. Then my son said, okay, I think about it. I was like, I don't know. I say you cannot even take care of yourself. You want to have a pet.
Then that will like teach your son responsibility.
No, you all must know, right? On 2 rows and 3 columns. That's why we say the matrix has order 2 times 3
2 by 3.
or 2 by 3. Okay? And when we say the matrices are equal, they must have the same order and all the matching elements must be the same. So meaning I have this being equal to P, this must equal to Q, this must equal to R, and D must equal to S. Every single element must be the same and the order for this case must both be 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. So when we read, we always read from the number 7. Number of rows you have, followed by number of columns. So if you want, you know RC, right? Residence corner. Don't know how you remember it. Okay? You always read how many rows you have, followed by columns. So if you forget rows, it is always the horizontal one. Okay, then column is the vertical one. So make sure you know how to differentiate row and column. Okay, next is let's move on to addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrices. It will slowly go to 3, 2, 5. So the corresponding entries, you will add them together. When I say addition, you add the corresponding ones. So same thing, the 216 with the 250. Okay, the 195 with the 180. And then the last one is the 54 and the 63. So if you add it, it's 593, 6, 7, 6, 8. See? 1, 2, 4, 9, 117, 2, 3, 7, 5, and then 4, 6, 6. Okay? So this will tell you the total number of monitor sold in shop 1 for both months. Shop 2, shop 3. No shop 3, just shop 1 and shop 2. So this is monitor, printer, laptop, shop 1, shop 2. So even if I don't write down which shop, what it is, you must know which entry represents what. Okay? So addition is very direct, subtraction is very direct. You just add directly, subtract directly. 1 to 1 matching. Okay, done? Not yet. Oh yeah, I want to give you all the WA paper in case later I 7. No, we already went through the question one time.
Can you print out the exam schedule?
I want you all to reattempt it.
Miss Wang, can you print out the exam schedule?
The exams, the one that I sent you all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Individually or just on the board?
I'll put it on like the you know where.
Okay, this one go home this weekend or any other day. Today, right? No home, no, not. Oh no, you got AAP.
Every day got AP. What do you mean?
yeah. You are a Sec 4 student. Why are you complaining?
Why is it so early?
It's not early.
It did.
It's not early. You know how
This one
early
you're saying
people
that
start
cause you're
preparing
more
for
worried than
O-level?
us. Which is true lah, but
Yeah, I don't know why you're not worried about your own O-level, right?
still not worried
If
about
you are not
what
having
okay.
dreams about your result, right? You're not working hard enough. So that time I always dream about my result.
Jennifer's so crazy.
Okay, I give you the marking scheme. I give you the WA2 paper. We have done this as a quiz last lesson. Okay, so you reattempt it. Now if you look at the question again, can you do it better?
What if I memorize it?
If you can memorize the whole 10-year series, good for you. Okay, it is your talent.
It's okay, check what's after math.
Yeah, recess. The next page. Okay, next one. Yeah, finally, right?
How
Okay,
about
so to add A to B, you add the entries one by one. So when I say add A to B, it's different again. This on top. Yes, this one homework. Bring home. Okay, so you add up the entry, you will get 2, 7, 2, minus 1. That's all. One entry by one entry. Yep.
Can you print the new timetable?
I thought Mr.
For individual.
Oh, you all want one copy to yourself. Okay, you then you need to wait a bit. No, I print one, then I send for printing. It will take 3 days. So you all must be able to wait lah. Okay, if I swap the order, you will realize that you still get the same answer. Whether it's A plus B or B plus A, it will be the same. So this is what they are trying to tell you. They will be equivalent. Okay? Then when you add A, B already, which you already found your answer from A, and then now they say add it to C.
this one?
Yeah.
How do I fit this back in this?
You see? Play lah.
I dropped it. How do you play? I was trying to put your WA paper in my bag very carefully and it came out and dropped it.
Okay.
How do I put this back? Maybe it's not too big. It might be too big. I think it's too big. Yeah, I think it's too big.
Okay, I'm taking the answer from here. A plus B, right? I already found, so I'm not going to find it again. I put it here. Then I add it to C. I get 1575. So now, they say, can you add B to C first? So I'm going to add this one first. And then I add it to A. Then I want you to observe what happens.
Observe what happens. It's a chemical reaction. Redox.
Okay? So this one is what you get from the sum. Shh. Okay, then you realize that actually it is also the same. Okay, these two.
Miss Ma,
Yeah.
I think Chanka needs to work on giving us more space to write.
Actually, we tell them just use textbook. Then don't print notes.
Oh, make us buy textbook you're gonna use.
We
Insane.
I never
Yeah.
buy this year.
okay, if you look at the 4B textbook, right, everything behind is all the revision question.
Yeah,
So you all
okay.
can use it for revision, yeah. It's not that it's you all don't want to use.
No, I actually
Okay, these two, what they are trying to tell you first is if you add the first two matrix together first, then you add to C, you will also get the same answer.
this one. When are you gonna teach vectors now?
I hope before term 2 ends.
Oh.
I hope.
I thought you gonna teach in term.
But it might spill a bit to term 3 lah, a bit. Okay? So this is trying to tell you whether you add the first two first or the last two first, you will still also get the same answer. So this is question 2, the relationship. This is equal. Question 3, the relationship. This is also equal. Okay, question 4, they ask you, can you add A to D? Can we add matrix A to matrix D? Why? So different order. Because the matrix are of different order, you cannot add them up. The last column has no corresponding entry to add with. This is a 2 by 2.
And then that's a...
This is a 2 by 3. So if they are of different order, you cannot add them. Because this column got no friend. Okay, for A and D, I cannot add them because they are of different order. This is a 2 by 2. This is a 2 by 3.
So I thought if it's 2 by 2 and it's 2 by 3, right? So like there's 2 and 2, and then if the 2 there's a 2 in the middle, so
When
the
you
same,
say A
right?
and D,
That was multiply.
Oh, okay, okay.
Huh?
A and D, right?
Yeah, A and D. Different order. So I cannot add them. Okay, next. They say, can you find a matrix E such that when I add it to A, I get back A? Yeah. How can I find a matrix E? Okay, this is my A. This is my A. I want to find a matrix E that when I add it up, I get back my A. What should the matrix E be? All 0. So the matrix E must be a 2 by 2 0 matrix. Okay, got 0 matrix one. Okay, find the matrix F so that when I add it to D, it will still get back D. So again, it is my matrix 0 matrix, but the order must be 2 by 3, like that. So that every entry you add zeros to it. That's all. So 7A asks you, what is the similarity between matrix E and F? Okay, so all entries. Sometimes we call it entries, sometimes we call elements of E and F are zeros. Okay? And then what is different about them? The order. Okay, the order of the matrix are different. So this whole rationale is telling you whether I'm doing addition or subtraction, which one do first, you will still get the same outcome.
What would be R?
Are zeros. Are
It
zeros.
looks like a K.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
the handwriting.
You look at your own handwriting. Is it better?
Yeah.
Fine.
Is it cause like the iPad, the handwriting? You know, like, cause on paper got friction, right? iPad got no friction, just very glidey.
No, because I try to be fast. Okay, Ken. Silesh, you training your, what is this called? Bicep, is it? The whole whiteboard land on you, I don't know what to do. Then land on you, never mind, land on Yao Ting.
Miss Hong, you know, on duty I saw this thing.
Say who, saw who?
Which one? You know
Do you
the
see?
downstairs toilet got no, the part of the sink is gone. There's a part of the sink that was on the floor.
Student destroy it.
Like I came in, it was on the floor. Like,
It's Changkat, what do we have?
Which level?
wow, the canteen toilet.
Okay, I inform.
That is replaced with the floor.
Inform? Did you all inform?
No, I don't care.
Okay, so in conclusion,
Average day in Changkat.
A plus B is the same as B plus A. Okay, A plus B first, adding to C is the same as B A plus B plus C. Okay, both of these are the, I don't know why they need, right? Associative property.
Sure. Just stick to numbers.
She's gonna make it. When she says the WH, she's gonna put this.
The same. I don't know why they need to break it into two. Yeah. Okay, then the third one, I don't know what they want you to conclude. Why need 3 blank? Yeah. It's the same thing. Both are associative. Okay? And then we talk about zero matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix. It just means every single thing that you see inside are zeros. So it's usually denoted by a O for your zero matrix. So this is of order 2 by 2. They are not exactly the same. This is order 2 by 3. What thing? That means I write like that. Then my matrix is 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, they will write O. Okay? So addition is very simple. It's like subtraction. Entry by entry, you match it and then you add or you subtract. Nothing scary about it. Can I? Very, very direct. That one is Jamil. Oh, that one is Brandon. Okay, next one. This one. This one, they ask you to add all 3 together. You just add all 3 together.
Wow.
That's all.
Why? Wow, that's so
Like you
smart.
cannot believe this is Sec 4, right?
You add all 3 together, we add all 3 together. Wow.
So add all 3 together.
When they,
But if you add wrongly,
when they ask you to write the number, you write the number.
yeah,
When they ask you to pick up the phone,
that's
you pick
all.
up the phone.
Yes.
So useful in my life.
GG, bro.
10.
It's so productive. I come to school today for this, by the way.
You very whiny leh.
It's like a fun chapter, you know, adding.
Like so easy that you cannot believe it, right?
GG, bro.
Okay, then DEF, just add all the 3 corresponding entries together. 7.
Going too fast.
Hanson, just add. You say I'm too fast?
You want us to keep up.
Okay, okay.
I just want to run an equation down.
No lah. We know what we want to do. No need to be so...
But the multiplication is so hard.
No, it's
Yeah,
easy,
multiplication, we need to go a bit slower. This one no need. This one
what?
easy.
Multiplication is the easy one. This one I cannot.
This one just...
Yeah, cannot do that one.
10, 11. Okay,
The
like that.
golden rule is if you put the 2 together, then the 2 in the middle are the same. And the 2 in the middle are the same, then you can multiply. Then the outside will be the alphabet.
Yes, the
I don't
order.
understand.
Okay, that one we will sort it out. We will sort
It's very
that
fun.
out.
I learn myself funny.
Good. Okay, so this one, just add entry by entry. The order needs to be the same. If not, you cannot add, you cannot subtract. All good. Wait, let me finish the minus, then we break a bit.
At 10 we have a break. 10 sharp.
I heard y'all got a birdie in 4D.
Yeah, so Mrs. Kong gave them a 10-minute break. You give us a 15-minute break.
I gonna give you a 15.
So you know when the person told me my jaw dropped,
It's like,
I was like, person told me.
Because they were tired that day. Like near the end of the
okay,
period.
okay guys, you all act tired. Every time give us 15.
No, we are better students because even when we're tired, we show her that we're not.
Wow.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, can. Very...
Tell her that.
I won't go see.
I think it's not that we're don't show her that I'm tired. I think I'm scared to show her that I'm tired. Yeah, okay, it's better show you that we're tired or not.
Every time I feel a yawn coming up, I close my mouth. I sit right in front of Mrs. Kong. Here, it's not a yawn, I say. Stand up now.
Yeah.
This one what happened? The Wallace text you.
No, the IFD booth downstairs. They say need fork and spoon.
For what?
I don't know. Later I bring down. Okay. Next one. Shh. Subtraction, same thing. A minus B. So you just subtract. Like that only. So this one minus this become 12. You use calculator, no problem. Minus 4 minus 2 become minus 2. Minus 1 minus 9. 6 minus 8. You press calculator, okay? 0 minus 4. That's all. I never say that. I say you are very careless sometimes. Like me. Okay, like me.
This one we gave you so many A's for your WA1. Now this WA2 you give A.
This one negative from 5. You see from there 2. 4. 1 minus 2.
That's why I say minus become plus.
Right, yeah.
Minus 1.
I was testing you.
Oh, I'm so tested. Okay, so subtraction, just one by one subtract. If you cannot trust your own mental sum, use calculator.
Wait, what?
Okay, because it's 6 minus 5 minus 7 minus 2, so become plus 2.
But it never tells us.
1 minus negative 3 become 4. Negative 9 minus 0 become this. So when you do the subtraction, do properly. Silas, you got superpower, is it? Don't need to write anything. The word will write on its own.
He's Superman.
Then, you thinking about what? The race ah.
The what?
He say you going for some race. Last year you go, then after that you die for 2 weeks. Can you don't go? Is it very important? You pay $200 to run in the race? Also must go lah.
It's missing one.
But he died for 2 weeks, you remember? He everyday lie there, die for 2 weeks. Brennan, if he cannot, right, please look out for him.
You know Miss Sim is going as well.
Miss Lim can run, that's why. Brennan is not going and you are going? Why you want to go? No, you need the points, is it? Then you go for what?
You want money?
You want money? Or for fun?
$200 can buy so many things for the school.
No need to pay.
Yeah, but it's fun for you, huh? You don't come back dead, ah. I don't want bloodshot eyes. Don't know what, ah. Every time I hear scary story about you all when I come back. Okay, this is a typical question. It says in a school bookshop, the stocks of math and job textbook for set 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the beginning of a certain month. During that month, none of these books were reordered and the number of books sold are represented here. So this one is sold. This one is your original stock at the start. So they say subtract it. So you just have to subtract it for them. So it's 17. 4, 6, 0, 6, 9, 2, 5. So this is T minus Y. So they say, can you interpret the result? What is this that you are trying to find? The number of books. Okay, so maybe you want to write the number of, we follow this one, Use the words that came from the question and paraphrase it. So you can say the remaining stock of math and job books for set 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the bookshop after the sales.
You run out of sweets already.
I think left a bit.
GG. How much? You buy.
That 3 packet.
So how come your handwriting become like that?
Facts.
I writing fast. Ayo, you hor set very high standards for your teacher.
Because you're very,
But yourself,
the standard's very high. Try to uphold for you.
totally. Okay, Krishwan,
Totally ask.
it's like
What?
You caught up already,
The
caught up already?
remaining stops of math. What?
Math, multiply.
math and job books.
Oh.
Why can't you just write N? Why must you write the symbol?
I will go write Yeah, this one is just add and minus only. So they ask you, what does the element in the first row, okay, and the fourth column represent? This one, what does this represent? No more what? Okay, so you can say that there no more math, secondary 4 math textbooks left in the bookshop. Or you can say there's zero books left. Okay, so you just need to explain to me what this means, and we know this is Sec 4 math after the sales. So the remaining stock for secondary 4 math textbook, you say what math textbook sold out, anything that is along the same line we will accept. It's your own interpretation, but try to use the words they use in the question. Very happy singing
Obvious one is 10.
I say I finished the subtraction first. How many more question? Cannot wait.
Cannot.
Then you rest lah, you rest.
Okay, thank you. So I didn't sleep well last night. As a matter of fact, I thought I'd be sleeping well.
I don't know. It's very tough every day.
You know, like my friend was telling me that he had a friend who sleep schedule completely flipped. She sleep at 10 a.m. Then she wake up at 9 p.m.
Okay, the systolic blood pressure of a group of 4 patients with high blood pressure was measured before and
Miss Hospital had high blood
okay,
pressure.
and 24 hours after each of them had taken a pill. So this is at the start. Okay, this is at the end after taking the pill. So they say, can you subtract? So we just do a subtraction. So it is 14 huh? Then this one is what? 19. 0. No change this Cai Feng so sad.
Cai Feng, not
Can be Cai Feng. Cai Feng. Cai Feng.
对不起，师傅，你说的华文比我好。
Okay, so this is your answer. Then they ask you, what do you think the elements in your answer represents?
The difference in what?
Okay, the difference in the blood pressure. Yes, after taking the pill. Of the 4 patients after taking the pill. If you want to be very specific, you can say 24 hours after each of them had taken a pill.
Okay, got it.
Okay? So what does the element in the third row and the first column represent? So third row, first column.
Cai Feng blood pressure did not change.
So this person, poor thing, eat the medicine but no change, no impact.
Miss Wang, I think we might give you high blood pressure
My son also will,
already.
every day. Blood pressure did not change.
Miss Wang, I think I have high blood pressure too.
How do you tell?
Because
The
it runs
pill.
in my family.
Oh, then possible. My father also have.
Then do you have?
Haven't yet.
Then why do you choose to become a teacher? Do you want to get that faster?
No. There was only once in my life that I was very upset with a class, I think.
How?
Last year, okay.
No.
No, last year you
When
said
was it?
You scolded us. You said never in your career have you seen in the past like this.
No. There was that one, but I never tear, right? Got one class made me angry until I tear.
What? Oh, you told us that. Then you went back to the staff room, right?
Yeah. Wow. Like so angry.
Why are you angry?
I forgot. The whole class never bring their file or something like that.
I was so angry.
When I was younger, like, you know, when you are BT, you are passionate, you do filing, then the whole class never bring their file, the file like rubbish, everything don't have, like that. But I remember got one boy really upset me before in my teaching career.
Wait, what's
He scolded vulgarity into the air. He said it was not at me. He scolded vulgarity into the air. I was pregnant. That's why my son got like anger management issue. Because I was very angry.
what's his name?
Wallace. Oh, the student Romeo, is it? No, Romeo's brother. Jason. Stop it, your brother. Whose brother called Juliet? Jason. This boy.
What did you say?
He scolded some vulgarity into the air. Then I thought he was scolding me. I was so angry, right? Then the next moment I saw it, right, another boy was stepping on my worksheet. Like you know, you print worksheet for them, right? Then the worksheet fly on the floor, right? Then got one boy go and throw rubbish, then he was stepping on my worksheet. And then got one big shoe mark on my worksheet. I was so angry. Then I threw the stack of worksheet in the air. That was like the most angry moment of my life. No, I was really angry, very angry. Like I threw the whole stack. Then the whole worksheet. Then the poor, very good student like Elizabeth one sit in front, like pick up the paper. Yeah, that one very sad. But I was pregnant with my son, no, that time. So sad.
Holy
So angry.
So they probably blame me on your hormones.
Yeah.
like, I think
Any more question? Only one.
because this one is pregnant, we gotta give her a chance.
Okay, so now we can have a 4-minute break.
No, 5.
4 is still 6. 4.
If business law can give 10 minutes and you can't even give
Stop
5
comparing,
minutes.
everybody also compare, oh. You go and find another birdie somewhere.
I think even Miss Lau give 10.
Okay?
This one is 3, right? So like this one inside
But
times.
when you square, oh, you cannot square each entry. You must multiply. You don't multiply again. So haven't. It is P square is like that. You must write this 2 times. After you multiply, it's like that. Later I need to teach you. Then you can add to Q.
Pull your table back. You cannot make it as try.
Yeah, so try to wait for me a bit.
So it's 2 times 2.
2 times 2 plus minus 3 times 0. This is your first
Then you
entry.
move his table back also.
Oh, so it's so
Then
complicated.
2 times 2 times minus 3 times 1. Second entry.
So it's complicated.
A bit.
You gotta look at Scoot 390. This one.
Yeah,
You wanna guess how much money all these models are?
must be quite expensive. You must have. What are you going to do with the model?
We display lor, I collect them.
Yeah, but you will take up so much space.
No, it's so small. Look, wait, I show you. I
Mr.
open-
Shafiq text me. I want to swap my lesson.
No, this one is this one. I show you. You see right? You see this one.
After I was done.
You see this one. He want to swap. No. I think this one.
So you want to be here?
No, he wants he want this one. I think. Then I
No,
swap.
Kira, just this one. This one. You know how you say we have a talk on that day, right?
Yeah, but 29 April I got something on.
How about we
cannot.
just shift the 18th lesson to later? So after the
I already missed one, remember? Wait, I need to check my schedule. I cannot promise first. Later I cannot. I remember I got one afternoon.
we need to meet Tuesday.
We're meeting the author of our book. That's why.
On the 29th?
Yeah.
We need to swap dates because we that to be after we finish the book.
Yeah lah, but I cannot. I think 29 I got some place to go.
Then it's
I got I need to go somewhere with some people.
Where is the somewhere and who is the some people?
I got they will close.
Look at how small this model is. You know we call it the baby bus. This one, look how small the model is.
Huh?
Look how small the model is.
Then you put where?
I have a big shelf.
It's good, huh? So nobody fights the space with you.
But it's very
Where? Oh, this one nothing. Same as the addition and subtraction. Add entry by entry. Same one, add together. Right, no need, right? Then same one, subtract together. Same thing. Okay, so a little bit tougher, okay? A little bit. But it won't stop it.
expensive for me. It's like this one like $30, $40.
That's why lah, you always waste money. I hope you like planes for all your life, then you won't be wasted. Last time I chased after those idols, right? Buy a lot of stupid magazine. Buy the magazine just for that picture, right?
Yeah.
Then when I was older, I laughed at myself. Like, why did I waste this kind of money?
Do you not have a Blackpink plate model? Wait, I can show you. I bought it because it's a really cool livery.
Life change. Do you say this is life changing? You know how much no, you know how much I scold my daughter whenever she buy this kind of squishy.
So you feel bad now?
No, I cannot understand it. She buys so many and throw so many.
You should touch it.
What is it for? Distress?
Even Shailesh does it.
Miro? You press already then?
The more you press, the more money you get.
I thought stretchable or not.
This is my toy. I'm bored of it.
My daughter want to buy those every key different.
Hey,
Let's see what do you do
I
with
made
it.
it for her. The keys I made it for her.
Like you can customize.
Wait, actually I can do that lah.
You know what? She go online, right? She want to buy this one, right? Then she listen to the sound. She say what ASMR, don't know what. Then she
Miss-
press the sound. I don't like. Then I say what's the difference? All look the same. Then she no, the sound is different.
Yeah, I actually got.
I see it's the nails that make the
No,
difference.
no. This one, as a keyboard expert who made that actually right, is the switch inside the keyboard that made it.
Do you all grow up with Barbie doll? I mean the girls?
Oh no.
No ah. My daughter never touched a doll in her life. No, but she doesn't play with dolls. That's the problem.
Nobody plays with dogs. We play. I mean, not nobody. We play in the playground. They all don't play in the playground.
I do.
Like every time neighborhood
Hello.
kids, one fixed time you go.
Yeah. Last time I do. Okay, anyway, what you try to do? You see? 4 ting tong. Look at them. They want the attention.
It's found.
Do lah. We watch you.
Quite spoiled.
Finish already?
It's found.
You're not scared 10 years down the road this video pop up somewhere, meh? It will haunt you, I promise you.
It's found. It's a Blackpink sign.
Oh, it
inside.
looks nice, but where's the black? Oh. This must be expensive.
$78.
You. Okay. Okay, I want to start already. Now it's like 6 minutes.
Give us 4 more minutes. I'm gonna show you one more model.
Okay, I'm starting. I don't care, I start.
Wait, let me keep my model.
Faster. I'm starting. Okay, now it's multiplication. Please pay attention. It's the toughest part of matrices. So I never write. Okay, now it's multiplication. When you do multiplication, there are 2 types. This one is called scalar multiplication. Scalar just means when you multiply each of the entry by a constant number. Okay, each of the entry, they want you to double the sales. So when they want you to double the sales, you are multiplying every single entry by 2. So this 2 is the scalar that you are multiplying it with. You are scaling it up or scaling it down. So every entry multiply by 2. every single entry you see there, you multiply by 2. So you get 640, 716, 214, 108,
Oh, there's no finance.
and 5432. Okay, so everything is double. Okay, but basically you're multiplying every single entry by 2. Chloe, focus, you stare at the PLD like that. Yeah, but don't. Okay, so every single entry, make sure you double it. That is scalar multiplication. So when they use the word scalar, don't be scared. Just that number multiply into every single thing the same way.
So hot today.
Yeah, every day is very hot.
It was raining yesterday. What do you know? Yesterday was perfect sleeping weather. You know? I didn't want to come to school today.
Okay, I move on. Okay, so this one, in general, a matrix can be multiplied by a real number, usually called a scalar. The operation is known as scalar multiplication. Okay, so when they say 3a, you just multiply every entry by 3. So this kind is still very direct, not difficult at all. Okay, when they say minus 1/4 a, every single entry you see there multiply by negative 1/4. Okay, this one's still very simple. Scalar multiplication is still very simple.
This is why I won't be tested during the exam.
Rarely test this kind. O-level don't test this,
Yeah lah, neither
but
will
you need to have the skills.
This one, neither will you, right? Front laugh.
Different?
No, the top part.
Okay, focus.
What's that?
Sure, minus 14 over 3.
That is not 14, bro.
It got answer below what?
Why is everyone getting sick now?
Yeah, that's why.
I feel it
Justin
coming.
also.
I think I'm gonna be sick soon. Tomorrow I will come.
What's that? 14 over 3.
I'll only come on Friday.
Same.
Stop, y'all.
You know, but Friday I photographer for speech.
You photographer, you going upstage, right? Friday is the CCA.
No, but like
Oh,
speech day, speech
Oh,
day.
actual. Okay.
Oh, if you must send, I find a replacement.
But it's already shorter.
Miss Fang. You know, next Wednesday. Either next Wednesday or next Friday. Next Friday we are, but next Wednesday I might be going out of school after exam.
Out of school.
Mr. Iskandar say they want me to take photos for MSG.
Can like that, man.
And they got media pass for me one, you know. I know, right?
For what? The track and field.
Yeah. I think I'm just that special.
Okay, next one. Okay, this is the. Okay, this is still the easy one. Let's finish the easy one.
But got math, that's what I told her. It's okay.
Can you not
see
miss
my
math?
matrices quite solid, you know. You give me a matrices test, I'll get full marks, right?
Which one did you catch? It was very fun.
Can you all focus? Although this is the easy part.
If I'm me, I give it 7. Can I have a 7 minute?
No. See? God is punishing you for eating my lesson.
I don't believe. I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. 9. Minus 20. 24. Okay, this one you double check the answer, Ken, cause I don't know whether I never use calculator. You all double check the answer. See whether correct or not.
So you can just look at your phone.
Yeah, I wrote here, but I don't know whether got any mistake. Sometimes there might be.
This one just say you're like a human calculator. Why are you trying to calculate?
No, this one I never calculate, I just copy.
She is a human.
Can you all double check?
All math teachers are human.
No.
Yeah, I'm just.
Which bastard.
So I'm so sorry. She ruined our second lowest sec math.
You look at my math grades.
So I think she's
Like
nice.
from
I think she's a
You, what do you say? Do you say
She's
auntie?
very sweet. She's very, very sweet.
yeah, but she just cannot. I think she's like she's reached the age where I'm just here for the money and I can't.
I close my ears already.
You close your eyes, not your
Closing your
ears.
eyes.
And ears. It's together.
You must have it. I'll show.
Okay, the moment next time she close her eyes, we all walk out of class.
Okay, I got 10 minutes. I bottom part, so you all must listen carefully.
That's how we got duty in front of me. Like, also your bottom part and the last. I think we need to save this for next lesson.
Yeah, I think you should give us a 10-minute break.
No, so I think we nobody bring no, okay, no. Here
But
we
you all are a very good class, right? Remember just now you say?
Only to Mrs. Halls.
Better than...
Oh, wait, I gotta tell this for.
About what?
How I said that we're gonna be like.
Oh, that's
About how like, you know, we are tired. Choose not to be quiet in our class. No,
You're
but they chose to be tired in our class. We choose to respect them.
We choose to respect
But okay,
her
what?
class.
This one she know to teach the most important. It's good, what?
Mrs.
What's wrong?
Halls.
Just try for the next lesson.
With all due respect, Mrs. Coy.
Okay, listen Shh. Listen. Okay, when you have matrix multiply by matrix, you need to make sure that the multiplication can happen. So in order for it to happen, this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay? This is a 3 by 2 matrix. So in order for matrix multiplication to happen, these two numbers must be the same. If they are not the same, it cannot work. Okay? So this is the one that must be the same. The order, right, must be the same for this number and this number. Otherwise, the matrix multiplication cannot work. Okay, so first thing first. When I want to find the total sales in store 1 for all the books, right? What you all will do is you will find English books, multiply by $15. Okay. Biology book, multiply by $18. And then physics books, multiply by $20. And then you sum them up. Correct? So if you are trying to find the total sales of the English, Bio and Physics books in store 1, you will multiply this, and multiply this, and then you sum them up. So this is called the row by column multiplication. So when we multiply, you always use this row to multiply the first column, and then you get the first entry answer, which is this one. Okay, so I repeat one more time. So after I multiply this, I found the answer here to be 422. So that means again, 8 times $15 plus my 9 times $18 plus my 7 times $20. I found the sales I got in store 1 for all the books. So this is my first number. Total sales I get is 422.
It's not, the first one is plus, is times 10 plus.
Yes.
So it's, so for here,
8 times 15 plus 9 times 18. Yeah. Okay, so this is my first entry. But now, I'm also interested in finding the total mass of these 3 books in store 1. So what will I do? I will use this 8 to multiply by 0.6 grams or kg, depending on what the unit is, right? And then I will use 9 to multiply by the 1.2. And then I will use 7 to multiply by my 0.9. So I can find the total mass of these 3 books, and then I add it up. So the next entry I get here is 21.9. So this one tells me the total mass of my books in store 1. Then now I move to store 2. So I'm moving down to my second row now. This one. And then I need to do the same thing. I repeat the same process. Meaning, I use 3 to multiply by $15. I use 6 to multiply by $18. I use 4 to multiply by 20. And then I sum them up. So I can get the total price or total sales I get from selling all these 3 types of books. So if I do that, I will get 233. Okay, the very last one is if I multiply this 3 with 0.6 to find the mass, 6 with 1.2, and 4 with 0.9. So I add the 3 values up, I get my mass to be 12.6.
I think right, you make it
3 times 0.6.
easier for them. Actually, can I tell you next lesson?
Yeah, I will show the row and column. Wait.
Can I go?
Yeah, can. So in other words, right? Okay, I will show one more time, but I just want to do a quick summary. Your final answer is a 2x2 matrix. This one is the total sales for store 1. This one is the total sales for store 2. This is the total mass for store 1. And then this one is the total mass for store 2. Okay, why is it that when I started off with a 2x3 and a 3x2, I end up having a 2x2? It's because my final order is these 2 numbers. So my answer is a 2x2 matrix. Okay, the picture below is very confusing. I don't want to use this example to show you how to multiply. Okay, so I want to show you using the next one because there's no marking there. Okay, so let's try one together. This is A. This is B. When I want to multiply the 2 of them together, first thing you ask yourself is, this is a 2x2 matrix. I need these 2 to match, which they already match. Right? So my final answer must be a 2x2 matrix also. So I go and put in my final answer, and I know I must have 4 entries because it's a 2x2. So I write all this down first so I know where to fill in my blank. Okay, so I repeat one more time. This is 2x2. This is 2x2. I need this number to match, then the multiplication can happen. So when they match already, my final answer must be a 2x2. So that's why I have this. So now my mission is to get out what are all the 4 entries. Silence, you pay attention or not? So these 4 entries, how to find the first one? I want you to see it as a row first. So I'm going to settle my first row to multiply my first column. This is like the number 7. Can you see that? So what I do is 2 multiplied by 3. I add it to 5 multiplied by 0. So 2 times 3 plus 5 times 0. Ufa, you paying attention?
Yeah.
This is 2 times 3 plus 5 times 0. So that's why you get the first entry 6. Okay, then once I'm done with the first one, I need to move on to the second one. So I move on to my second column, which is this. So I will use this to multiply with my second one. So 2 times minus 4 plus 5 times minus 8. So I'll put this here. 2 times minus 4 plus 5 times negative 8. So I end up having negative 44. Okay, so once I'm done with story 1, I move down to my story 2 now. So I go down 1 level. So when I'm at this level, I want to multiply by the first column. Yes. Oh, 48. Sorry. This is 8. Okay. So now I'm done with this story already, right? I ignore already. I don't care about this. So I move downward now. So this one will multiply with the red column. So negative 1 times 3 plus 7 times 0. So negative 1 times 3 and then 7 times 0. So I get negative 3 for this entry. So I'm done with the red column. So same thing here, the yellow one. I need to multiply with my second green column. So negative 1 times negative 4 plus 7 times negative 8. So this one is negative 1 times negative 4, 7 times negative 8. Minus 56 plus 4, minus 52, is it? Okay, so this is how you find your matrix multiplication. So it's always row times column, but you don't jump around. You settle the first row first, then you go to the second row and then settle it again. So it's always like that. Okay, if it's the opposite, okay, one more, just one more. Opposite. You also deal with it in 2 stories. So first one is this one. I will multiply with this one. So I will do a 3 times 2 plus negative 4 times negative 1. So this is a 10. Okay, then I move on to, you can just come in and put your things. Okay, then you all can move on to the second one. So the black one times the green one. So you will get 3 times 5. Minus 28. Okay, once you are done with this row, then we move on to the next story. Bottom one. So the yellow one times the red one. So 0 times 2 plus minus 8 times minus 1. So it's 8. And then the yellow one times the green one. So 0 times 5. So minus 56. Okay, that's it. So next lesson we continue. Okay, you can work on the WA paper. Okay, go for your recess. Go, go, go. Happen again.